welcome back to Let's Take It Easy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to download Zoom on your iMac or MacBook. So first of all, you want to come down to Google Chrome. Then open a tab. After that, head over to the search bar and search up Zoom download. Once you search that up, a whole lot of results should come. You want to find Zoom.us, Download Center Zoom, and then click on it. Once you've clicked on it, it should give you a couple of options. Just click Zoom Client for Meetings. Once the download's complete, press on it. Then it should show you an introduction. You can go ahead and continue and just hit install. Put in your password and hit the return key. And there you go, you downloaded Zoom. You can now go ahead and press close and press move to bin. Now to open Zoom, all you have to do is go to Launchpad, scroll here and press on Zoom. Now you can join any meeting you want. If you're still confused, feel free to contact us at 03865 21589. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.